What's up, guys? Check out the new build. Crazy, 381 horsepower. That's pretty good. I think it has like 401 pounds of torque. This is gonna be my 2007 Toyota, we're back in the Toyota game, Tundra. It's a big one. It's an SR5 Crew Max. How cool is that? So I'm gonna take you guys on an adventure today, and we are gonna go around the entire car. I'm gonna show you the new build. I'm gonna do a truck build. I've never done a truck build. This is gonna be fun. So come on around. It is a black Tundra. I actually just got it. It'll be a great toy hauler. So next time the Celica blows up, we can go get it with this. So 2007, so it has the older grille. If you guys look on here on the front of it, we're gonna be swapping that out. Currently it's not too much chrome. There's chrome on it, but it's not a crazy amount of chrome. I love that the car came with the black bumper. I love that a lot. That makes me happy. It does not have fog lights, which I actually kind of like that it doesn't have fog lights. It has a plastic inserts. Has the original headlights, which we're gonna switch out those. I can't stand these headlights. They're not for me. We're gonna do some nice black housing headlights on here. I'll do a how-to video of that. Again, I love the Tundras. If you come back over here a little bit, they're just so much bigger than the Tacoma. I love how big the Tundras are. Let's go ahead and I'll pop open the hood real quick, and then I'll show you that big. This is my first, I think it's my first V8 I've ever had. So let's check it out. We got this big old giant hood. We'll do a tour of the inside. These trucks come with a ton of options. If you don't know how to open the hood, it's down here. There's a little latch on here. You push it and it'll come up. It does come with hood struts. I love that. They're from factory, otherwise I'd be switching them out. 5.7 V8 Toyota right here. If you guys look, I-Force engine. How cool is that? Big ol' hunkin' truck. I love it a lot. I'll probably end up doing a nice intake. Go for a TRD one. I've been looking at those. Been looking at a ton of parts. We're gonna do. This is gonna be a build. So yes, it'll be my daily driver for like / winter time. It's also just nice to have. It's really nice just to have a truck, especially when you have a bunch of sports cars. It's nice to go like get new engines from them. I can go pick them up with the bed. We'll check out the bed in a second. It's nice to, you know, have a truck. So I thought this would be great. It's not red. So believe it or not, I did shop a long time for red ones. I really wanted a red one, but I'm loving the black. This is my third black car that I've owned in the last 1 year. I had the black, I still have the black ELISE. I have the black, I sold the black EVORA, and now we're on the black Toyota Tundra. And the black and red look pretty good, so this will fit really nice in the garage. And I was telling my fiance, who's filming, thank you, that this will be a 20-year truck. Hopefully I have this one for a long time. It'll be a nice workhorse, and I won't sell this one because I think it's going to be a cool truck when it's all done. So again, V8, 381 horsepower. I think it's 401 foot-pounds of torque. Really gets down actually. This is a 4x4, and it's actually hard to find 4x4s. Like if you shop in Texas or whatnot, a lot of them are going to be two-wheel drive or 2x4 or whatever. This is so 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, and then 4-wheel high and low. So it's really nice on there. Let's go ahead and put the hood back down. You guys got a good look at this giant old V8 in there. It does have this little protector, and it does say Toyota on it, so I'm assuming that this is original. It's like a hood visor. It does also come with hood or window visors, which I might remove or try a different one. I don't know if I like them. They're by Wade. It's kind of interesting. My favorite thing though is it says I-Force 5.7 liter V8. I'm gonna leave this badge here. I might get a black one, an all blacked out one, but I really like it. Now, what do you guys think about the wheels? So these are the original Toyota wheels on here. I think they're pretty ugly. To be honest, they're not really for me. I think I'm gonna do something else. I just don't know what I'm gonna do, but just something else. They're pretty ugly in my opinion. And it has Goodyears, I think, on here. Yeah, big old fat Wrangler Goodyears, which I'll probably do something else. These are the OEM wheels, and they're 18 inches. It's pretty cool. It does have chrome step up. And this is going to be Weston, a Platinum Oval. I don't know if I like that either. Again, I might do a black on that. Something black, something looks good. Yeah, same wheels. My favorite angle of the entire truck, if you come on over here from this angle, is my absolute favorite on this SR5. This is the best angle right here. I think that if you look back right here, that looks the most aggressive. This is a 2007, so I think it's the first year that they brought out the Tundra. I think it's the first year that they brought out the second generation Tundra. And I know that some people say like the 2013 later or like the third gen, but they're not. I think they're like the 2.5. I'd say they're just a facelift version. But Tundra's been out for 20 years. This is a 20 years or 21-year-old truck now. And then they just made the third gen, which looks absolutely nuts. I would love to have one of those, but they're like $70,000 trucks. And then this has the V8 versus that V6. So I think this is gonna be a good engine. I've seen these have 1 million miles on them. This one has 118,000 miles on it. Clean title, and I'm the third owner, which I think is pretty good. I think I might actually leave the taillights, I'm not sure. I'm gonna do a whole build mod list, so I think I'll leave the taillights. Comment down below, do you guys like the stock sleeper look, or do you guys think I should go a little bit more aftermarket? Because I think I'm gonna do a little bit more aftermarket, even though my name is, you know, one of my nicknames is OEM Mitch, but because I put a lot of OEM parts on. So I might just go and shop a bunch of TRD stuff, because I love TRD. And I do have new TRD parts from my website that are gonna be going on this truck. It does come with this Atanu cover, which is kind of cool. It's in pretty okay condition. It's not the best. The bed needs resprayed. It has like white stuff on it. I don't know if it's paint or something, but the bed needs resprayed on it. I took it to the car wash and try to get rid of it. It does have Line X on it, but I think it should be resprayed. But it's pretty cool. You can definitely put a couple 2ZZs back in there, a couple V6 Camry motors or something like that if I want to do a new build or something like that. Maybe get an old MR2 or something like that and swap out a V6. I can definitely go get that now with this. The other thing I really like about this truck is it has this cool little dent right here. Like, it's not a dent, but it's like an imprint. I think that looks really good. I've always liked that about the Tundra. Unfortunately, this one does not have a backup camera, so that's something that I might do to it. I'm going to end up removing this off the Nas guy. That's a dealership I bought it from. I did buy it from a dealership, and I got a really good deal on him. I argued him and went in with cash offer, and I walked out and he followed me and ended up taking the cash. So I feel pretty proud of that. I got a good deal on that. Again, the car's in pretty good, decent shape. Really do not like the exhaust, to be honest. It's ugly. And you know, I'm gonna do a whole video where you do a whole mod on the build I'm gonna do. But what do you guys think? Another thing you should comment down below. This is the TRD ones come out the side right here. I'm really thinking the aesthetic version would be have two black symmetric exhausts right out the back. I don't know who makes that. Maybe Magnaflow or Borla or something like that. But I think that would be looking good. Besides the TRD one that just comes out the sides, I think that looks hideous, to be honest. It's really ugly. Kind of cheap. It does have mud flaps. I do want to do a lift, probably too. Again, I'll tell you more about that. Stock ride height makes the car actually look like. A lot of my friends are like, "Oh, the truck, it's a big truck, but it's pretty low." And this is the factory ride height. It actually makes it a little bit more nicer to drive. Again, we're gonna come onto the interior now. And then one weird thing is, this car came with towing, so I think the previous owner towed it. It does have a tow mirror right here, which is pretty cool. I actually like it. But the driver's side, they didn't match it. So I don't know if they cheaped out or whatever, but I would like to have a matching mirror. I think these are pretty cool looking over the OEM ones. So let's go ahead and go on the inside of the V8 here. So this is pretty awesome. What I would like to say is, one, I love that it's all black. Two, unfortunately, it's cloth. Blah, I don't like the cloth. So original cloth. I already got mods already ordered for it. I am going to make a video of all the things that are wrong with this truck. That'll be the next video, all the things that I think are wrong with it, and I can't wait to change it, all the things that I can't wait to change and mod, but all the things that are currently wrong. So yeah, like I said, I do really love all the black. It has awesome compartments, so much storage in here.
Don't forget the one in the door.
Oh yeah, there's a little one, the secret one over here. I forgot about that. It's definitely a Toyota truck, a lot of plastic. It's not wrapped in leather or anything, but this is a great truck. I didn't think it'll last a long time and it'll do its job. But yeah, huge amount of storage. I like that it's not a column. I really wanted this one. That was a big deal. One of the factors of me buying this truck was that it was a center console shifter. I don't know what they call it. They call it a different name. A floor shifter, I think is what it is, versus the column shifter. I love that. It is an absolute, look how big that back door is. It's humongous. So I love it. It's almost like having an SUV, but also a truck. This is the Crew Max. I had to get the Crew Max. I was not gonna get something that didn't have a Crew Max. And I actually don't like the, I think they're SR5s, but it's not the non-Crew Max. I think it's called the double cab, where it has a latch up here. I actually really don't like that one. It kind of makes a Tundra look funny. This one looks a lot more expensive in my opinion. Huge back seat. Again, I'm giving away all the mod ideas, but I'm definitely gonna be doing some switching out these seats because they're just not for me right now. I think that definitely need some leather in my life. I like Toyota leather, but it's pretty cool. I mean, there's just tons of room in all these things. There's so many storage compartments. It's just, I love it. I'm loving this truck. So it did come with OEM floor mats, but they were pretty dirty, so I threw them away because I'm gonna get getting new floor mats. I don't know if I'll do like a WeatherTech or whatnot. I don't like this at all. This is one of my biggest complaints, and the silver just doesn't look good for me. So I'll be fixing that, and I'll show you guys how to fix that soon. The steering wheel is dated. It's not my favorite, but I'll be showing how to fix that soon. If you guys know what I mean. There's gonna have a new badge here. I can't wait to show you. I'll be available on MITCHDORE.COMHOW. Again, let's jump up here. It's a pretty cool dash though. I mean, that besides it being silver, it's pretty cool looking in my opinion. Totally Toyota. 118,000 miles. Definitely want a new radio, but hey, everything works on there. So it's pretty good. Gabriella said, you gotta show them your favorite thing, which is this button. What that is the back window rolls down. I thought that was pretty legendary. I was so excited for that. That made me happy. It was like a must-have. Definitely need some LEDs and whatnot. But hey, what do you guys think? This is pretty awesome, I think. I'm really loving it. I'm proud. I think this is a cool truck to have. I think it's going to be very useful to help with all the other builds. It would look amazing if I put a lift kit on it. Like if I did a 6-inch lift kit, it would look just so beefy. So I definitely think about that. I love the V8. I think it'll last forever. I think it'll go 300,000 miles. Really reliable, automatic. Most of my cars are always manual, so it's just nice to have an automatic. But yeah, what do you guys think? 381 horsepower. I don't know if you guys thought I was gonna get a Tundra, but an 07 Tundra Crew Max, the Crew Max. I had to get a Crew Max, had to get a V8. So that's it, that's the new build. We're gonna be doing this, it'll make a lot of appearances on the channel. I'm gonna document the whole thing. I actually spent a lot of time looking through YouTube of the truck culture, and there is some good stuff on there, but there's not too much how-tos, and the people that did the how-tos aren't very thorough. So I like to do a very thorough job and make sure you guys can do it, you know, bolt by bolt. So yeah, we'll be doing a lot of that, but a big old Tundra, black. I think the black looks good. So that's it. Make sure to like, subscribe, of course, swing by MITCHDORE.com. Yeah guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you like it. Make sure to like and subscribe as always, swing by MITCHDORE.com. Got a V8 Tundra on the channel. I think that's gonna be pretty cool. Like, subscribe, see you guys on the next video.